A client books you for an event and they pay a deposit to reserve their booking. Now you've covered the event, edited the photos, and delivered it to your client. But now, your client ghosts you on your balance payment. Here's how you can avoid issues with your balance payment using OurPixo. Log into your account on OurPixo platform, click the plus icon, select the deliver photos or videos option to upload your files. Once uploaded, click the next button, then add your client's name. There's a box that says, should clients pay per picture? Do not click it because that's for selling extra photos to your clients, not for collecting your balance payment. Add a balance amount your client should pay. Now add payment instructions for your client to make payment. Click the get link button to get a gallery link you can send to your client. Your client opens the link, sees the cover photo, number of files, and the amount to pay. Once they click the pay button, they view your payment instructions and make payment. After your client pays and clicks the I've made payment button, you'll get an email notification. First, confirm payment from your preferred payment method. Once confirmed, click the email link and the I confirm button on our Pixel platform. Once you do this, your client gains access to download all the photos. With this, no client will owe you a dime. You're welcome, and I'll see you in the next video.